they do with all the eggs at Michael's Foods?
We'll show you.
At Michael Foods, they make eggs and more for several different companies all over the United States. They get liquid and shelled eggs that they process into their final products. At Michael Foods, there are many different job opportunities that are very important to the process of making their great egg products.
The coolest part of my job, hands down, is the interaction with the different people and different folks we have at the facility. They're fantastic.
Dealing with the people, dealing with my people. The coolest part of my job is every single day is different and never exact. Always something new, always challenging.
A typical day, we'll do basically a roundup from the previous day's problems. Part of that includes doing different types of auditing, different types of safety scans, and then we game plan on how we're going to close the gaps to those problems.
You know, I have a very busy day every day. So I come in, review the numbers from the day before, and then review my priorities.
My typical work on the day is I review the day before's production. I make sure that we hit our targets. Looking forward to make sure that I have ingredients in boxes.
Again, I'm going to have to go. My favorite thing about working for Michael Foods is working with all the people. I love the different characters that we have here at the plant. Each person's unique.
What is your favorite thing about working at Michael Foods?
Being able to help my people.
My favorite thing is we have a really good staff and we're like family, and it's not like a job coming to work some days. We work really hard, we have fun.
That's what they do at Michael Foods.
Wow, that was so cool. Now I understand.